Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Bioscope. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily draw the diagram of a human heart within just 2 minutes. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So now I will going to show you how you can easily draw the diagram of heart within 2 minutes by following few simple steps. So first, you have to make a T shape. Make the end of the T slightly move towards the right side. Okay. So here is the T shape. Now you have to draw an inverted question mark. Leave a small gap at the top of this question mark. Here is your inverted question mark. Now you have to make a basic papaya shape. Here is the basic papaya shape. The inside of the papaya looks like this. So now you have to make 6 V shape. So 2 V's are already here. You can see here 1 and this is 2. Now you have to make another two V inside here. Okay. Here are the two, another more V. Then these are more V's. So total 6 V. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now you have to make 3 small pipes at the top of this inverted question mark, which we have made earlier. Now you have to make a 1 long pipe. So here is the structure of your heart. So now it's time for leveling. So first we know our heart is 4 chambered. So upper 2 are atrium and lowers are ventricular. So this is my right hand. So basically this is going to be the left atrium. So you can mark it as a LA and this will be LV. This will be RA and RV respectively. Now this T is your pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery, as this will go to the lungs. Now these small 2 V's are pulmonary veins. Pulmonary veins. This is the septum which separate the 2 chambers of ventricles. These small pipes are dorsal aorta. And the long pipe is your superior vena cava, and the end one is inferior vena cava. In this way, you can easily draw the structure of the heart within 2 minutes. So if you find this video helpful, please kindly like, comment, share and subscribe. And don't forget to press the notification bell icon. So that's it for today. See you in the next one.